नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे YouTube चैनल ब्रास फ्यूजन्स पर, जहां हम आपके लिए एक बार फिर से लेकर आए हैं एक नया लेसन।
Too many people spoil the food. और अगर हम 50 से ज्यादा, देखो एक तो 50 तो अरेंज किया आपके रूल्स ने, अगर कल को रूल्स हम अमेंड भी करते हैं, रिवाइज भी करते हैं, तो मैक्सिमम लिमिट है 100. रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल बिहाइंड इट, बिकॉज इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज everything. If there will be more than that number of people, it would be very difficult to manage the business and the partnership firm. Now read your section 5 in connection to your relation, that how a partnership can be created. So read your section 5. Partnership not created by status. Right? Partnership not created by status. When I used to teach Indian Contract Act, I always start with one of the statements given by one famous jurist, Henry Manning. Right? And he said what? That every developed society will move from status to contract. Every developed society will move from status to contract. Now, how to interpret this and what is the relevance or the meaning of this statement? See, if you will look towards the primitive society, human society, then you will find that initially there was no concept of the contract, right? So, what people were doing, they were based upon only the status. And status will be like this, that if you will talk about primitive, it was based upon the status, based upon the might, राइट तो ये जो भी पोजेशन ले लेता था, जिस भी प्रॉपर्टी का वो उसका हो जाता था. स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली व्हेन द सोसाइटी रियलाइज देयर इंटरडिपेंडेंस, राइट, तो देन दे स्टार्टेड द barter system. फिर barter system आया कि if I do have what I do have the wheat, you have the rice, then they started to exchange that. Slowly and gradually when the interdependence of the society increased more, that as I'm a teacher, right, you are a student. As being a human being, as a student, you do need a teacher, you need at some time, you may need a lawyer, you may need a shopkeeper, you may need a lawyer, every doctor. So, सबको सबकी जरूरत है, everybody is interdependent. And that development, that growing interdependency on each other, right, resulted into contract. So one of the tests whether the society is developing or not is what, that how the business, how the economy, how the relationship in the society are governed. Right? If it is governed by the contract, it means society is developing. If it is not governed by the contract, it means society is not developing. Right? So similarly, then we are talking about what? Partnership. Partnership is also here to facilitate the business, right? And when I'm making the statement, when I'm supporting the statement of Henry Manning, that a developing society will always move from status to contract. Now just look into your life and try to analyze. You will find that in your each and every sphere of life, you are based upon contract. I am here because of contract. You are here because of contract. You would be attending the class either on mobile or either on laptop that you have purchased based upon the contract, sales of goods or anything, right? So everything is based upon contract. However, we do not realize, we do have the food daily, that edible goods which you are purchasing, that is based upon contract. You would be having maid servant at your home, that is based upon the contract. You will work tomorrow, that will also based on contract. Everything is based on contract, and this is the proof a society is developing. And one of the development is in form of the business. तो जब हम बात करते हैं पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस की, इट हैज बीन मेड क्लियर बाय योर सेक्शन 5 दैट पार्टनरशिप इज नॉट क्रिएटेड बाय अ स्टेटस. जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर द कर्ता ऑफ अ हिंदू जॉइंट फैमिली, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर द हस्बैंड, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर द वाइफ, वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, वो पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म नहीं होती. पार्टनरशिप विल फॉर्म ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. पार्टनरशिप विल नॉट फॉर्म बिकॉज ऑफ योर अदर status, right? So read the provision section 5. required. The relation we were talking about, partnership is a relation as per given in your section 4. Now we are interpreting the term relation by connecting it to your section 5 of Indian Indian Partnership Act. So partnership not created by status. The relation of partnership arises from contract, not from status. Always remember, partnership will not develop itself just because of your status, right? It will develop, it will come into existence only because of contract. तो पहला simple interpretation ये है कि Indian Partnership Act is not exhaustive one. It is based upon your Indian Contract Act. So for forming your partnership, first of all, you need to form a valid contract. क्योंकि पार्टनरशिप एग्जिस्टेंस में ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के थ्रू आएगी. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ईच एंड एवरी एसेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर अ वैलिड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नीड टू बी फुलफिल्ड. ऑफर, एक्सेप्टेंस, फ्री कंसेंट, कॉम्पिटेंसी, कंसीडरेशन, everything is here to be fulfilled. So status, another simple interpretation of section 5 is what partnership is here. Partnership can be formed only by operation of law. Operation of law. It cannot be by status. Now further it has been explained in your next para about the status, and in particular members of Hindu undivided family carrying on a family business. Suppose there is a Hindu joint family. You have done your family law too. There is a Hindu joint family carrying on a family business as such. Then what will be the nature of the business? Whether it will be a partnership business? Answer is simply no. Just because one reason a family is having status of Hindu joint family, just because a family is having karta and co-partner, just because a family is having a family business in which more than one people do have interest by birth and having right to share the profit by birth, that will not make it a partnership business. And partnership business need to be specifically made by the contract. It cannot be generated through the status of just because of the collection of the people, right? Or read another explanation there. Or a Burmese Buddhist husband, wife carrying on business as such, they are not partner in such business. So law does not make the partnership, but it is the contract which makes the partner, right? Mark my words. Law does not make the partners. It is the contract which makes the partner. अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा तो कोई पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म नहीं हो सकती. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म होगी. Right? Now come back to your section 4. Now reading from the beginning, partnership is the relation between the persons. The relation we have done, that relation which is created by the contract. Partnership is the relation between the persons. Persons here means minimum to maximum 50, and it is natural as well as legal persons. Partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed. फोकस करना है टर्म agreed पे, right? Agreed here means contracted in line with your section 5. Agreed here means contracted. So again I am repeating that each and every essential requirement for a valid contract need to be fulfilled. So read further. Who have agreed, right, to share the profit. अब इस phrase को mark करो, to share the profit, and write down here, read with always section 8. इस phrase को हमेशा आप किसके साथ पढ़ोगे? section 8 के साथ. Okay? Share the profit. अब partnership किस purpose के लिए है? To share the profit. Okay, answer me one question. Whether just because one organization is having an object to share the profit, whether it will be partnership form? Whether it will be partnership form? Answer is simply no. तो इसके लिए हमारे पास एक clarification है, right? And that clarification, okay, I want to make a correction. I asked you to read with your section 6 only, 8 only, but read it with your section 6. Please correct where I was saying that share the profit. Read that phrase with your section 6, not 8. Section 6. Correct in your direct. Section 6. Now we are reading your section 6. Mode of determining the existence of the partnership. How to determine whether just by one factor that there is a agreement to share the profit, will it result into partnership form or not? Let us read the provision. Section 6. In determining whether a group of persons is or not a firm, or whether person is or not a partner in firm, regard shall be had to the real relation. Mark this phrase, real relation between the parties as shown by all relevant facts taken together. So two phrases are to be marked in your section 6, that whether a group of persons is a firm or not, whether two people are partner or not. For that, according to your section 6, we need to analyze the real relation. So real relation mark करो. उसके बाद how to analyze the real relation as shown by the relevant facts. All relevant facts, mark it. All relevant facts taken together. So just because one reason, one factor, the two people are sharing the profit, automatically they will not turn to be the partners. We need to see another factors as well, whether they are partners or not. It is very important whether they are sharing the liability, whether they are acting as an agent or not. Every factor collectively need to be analyzed, right? अब इसमें explanation दिया है. Before that, I want to discuss about the real relation, or I want to make you clear just by sharing the profit, right? The people do not turn the partners for each other. Answer me. Charitable trust, whether the charitable trust, societies, club, right, who share the profit, who do not share the profit, whether they are carrying on the business, whether it will be a partnership or not. I am repeating my question. I will ask you the reason. If there is a charitable trust भी कुछ business run करती है कई बार. If there is a society, societies भी business run करती है. If there is a club, all of will be having more than one people. ठीक है, all of these will be having more than one people generally. तभी society बनेगा, तभी club बनेगा. Whether and if they are running a business also, if a society, if a club is running a business also, will they be considered as partner? Will it be a partnership firm? Answer me. Will a club, will a society, will a charitable institution who is running the business, who are having more than one people, will that be a partnership firm or not? Try to answer for it. Try to answer for it. Am I audible or not? See, if something is not clear to you, be honest. At least, but one thing I will request to you, keep replying. Otherwise, it disappoint the teacher कि response नहीं आ रहा, whether I am able to make the things clear to the students or not. Am I audible? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, would it depend on whether they entered into business with the aim of earning profit? So,
generally, yes. Pehla focus, yes. Pehla focus, it is rightly given by Donika, it is rightly given by the other girl. तो उसमें क्या है कि इनमें तो सबसे पहला कंपोनेंट ही मिसिंग है. क्या है? शेयरिंग द प्रॉफिट. अगर एनजीओ होगी, नॉन प्रॉफिट होता है, ठीक है. एनजीओ हो गई, आपके क्लब्स हो गए, आपकी सोसाइटीज होगी, दे आर नॉट हियर टू अर्न द प्रॉफिट. एम नहीं है उनका एज पर मुल्ला. आपको लॉस होता है या प्रॉफिट, दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी थिंग. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मुल्ला, द फर्स्ट थिंग for the partnership is required, but there must be a business, and what thing you will call as what? you will call it as the partnership business when it is aimed, when such adventure is aimed to earn the profit. तो पहली चीज यही होगी. This is given in your section 4 as well. So section 4 को we are reading with your section 6 that how to determine. अब उसमें let's make a little bit change for understanding the concept. And what is that? Just because one reason there are two people, they are sharing the profit. Will it make, right, the partnership firm? Answer is no. We need to analyze their real relation. और real relation के लिए यहाँ पे example लो हिंदू joint family business का. हिंदू joint family business में करता होगा, उसमें co-partners होंगे. They are sharing the profit. अब there are people, more than two people, they are sharing the profit in line with your by reading your section 5 along with your section 6. उनका status क्या है? उनका real status partner का नहीं है. Just because one reason they are sharing the profit, they will not turn into partners. ठीक है? अब according to section 6, if in any case two people, minimum two people are sharing the profit, now to determine whether they are, listen carefully, I'm again repeating, just because of one thing, if in any case you will find that there are two people, minimum two people, and they are sharing the profit as well. So, will it give a partnership firm status to them? No, not per se. You need to analyze their real relation, and for analyzing their real relation, we need to analyze all relevant factors together. And there is explanation 1 and explanation 2 for that. The sharing of profit or gross returns arising from property by person holding joint or common interest in the property does not of itself make such person partner. अब इसमें आपको कौन-कौन सा point highlight करना है in explanation number 1 में? The sharing of profit of gross return arising from property by persons holding. Mark the term holding. Thereafter, a joint or common interest. Mark this phrase. Joint or common interest in that property does not of itself. ये itself term बहुत important है. Please mark it. Itself. Make such person partner. अब it is just giving you one situation. There are minimum two people. They are holding a joint property or joint common interest. Suppose करो आपने और मैंने एक joint property खरीद ली. I hope you do understand what is the difference between joint property and joint family property. Can anybody explain it to me? What is the difference between joint property and joint family property? Any one of you? Joint property and joint family property. Is there any difference between these two? Joint property or joint family property? Am I really audible to you today? You people are not at all taking interest. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Joint property is not necessarily between the members. Okay, it is a right answer, Donika. Joint property is not necessarily between the members of the family, and it is not ancestral like joint family property. In joint family property, co-partners will having right by birth, right? And the joint property can be owned by two people, husband and wife. Even stranger, even friends, So the point which is here, if two people are just sharing the profit, that does not mean that they are the partners itself. इसको focus करो. Itself automatically they will not turn the partners until their real relation, their intention is like as a partner. Okay, so today I'm going to, call it for today. Now it is sufficient for today because I do have another class also at 11:30. Going to take attendance. Is there any doubt? whatever we discussed for that. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, just a little clarity with the explanation we just discussed. So this explanation only says that it is not necessary that just because two persons are sharing profits in certain thing, that they become themselves to be the partners, or the association becomes itself to be a partnership. That this is the only thing this explanation is saying, right?
Yes, unless and until they have entered into a contract or partnership, they formed a contract, तो itself उनका रिलेशन जो है वो नहीं बनेगा. रीजन ये है, मैं अभी आपको आगे पढ़ाऊंगी, पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म करने की, बिकॉज पार्टनरशिप इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, राइट. और पार्टनरशिप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है तो इट कैन बी इम्प्लाइड, इट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस, just like any other contract, just like your agency. As agency is not required to be in writing, as agency is not required to be registered, there can be oral agency, there can be express agency. So just for a clarification कि कहीं पे आपको दो लोग वो शेयर कर रहे हैं प्रॉफिट, आपको दिख रहे हैं, मिल रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो पार्टनर्स हैं, unless and until they have actually entered into contract for the partnership. Itself वो नहीं बन जाएंगे in absence of contract. Section 6 is just extended version of Section 5 कि status आपको पार्टनरशिप नहीं देगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको पार्टनरशिप देगा. तो जस्ट बिकॉज शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, whether they do have common interest, they will not turn into partners itself, but उसी चीज में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बन के पार्टनरशिप भी बन सकता है. दिस इज द इम्प्लाइड इंटरप्रिटेशन.
Okay, ma'am, understood. Thank you.
Now attendance 24.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am. हाँ जी.
I had a question yesterday regarding regarding the last time that you had explained that in a partnership the partner is an A. And ma'am, my question
Okay.
is the relation.
Veronica, बच्चे, can you do a favor to me? Give your question in your chat box. I will click the picture and I will answer you in your next class. Because I do have another class and I need to take attendance.
I have
जब
the
तक मैं attendance लेती हूँ,
ma'am, I have a number. Should message you the question.
your voice is breaking. I'm not able to.
Ma'am, should I? Oh, the question, I have your number. So should I message?
Yes. You can send it to Dinesh. Dinesh will forward it to me.
All right, ma'am. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, and I will take up your question in your next class for sure.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. 25, 26, so 27.
27 present.
To when?
दोस्तों, अगर आपको आज का लेसन पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें. इसी के साथ अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, ताकि आपको एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड नए नए अपडेट्स मिलते रहें. और अधिक जानकारी पाने के लिए आप हमारे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज से भी जुड़ सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है. धन्यवाद.